Marissa here from Twisted Throttle, and today we're outfitting the brand new Yamaha T7. If this is your first time visiting, be sure to give us a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. You can shop for all the parts we discuss in our videos by going to TwistedThrottle.com. This long-awaited motorcycle has finally made its way to the States, and Yamaha seems to have answered the call of many riders for a lighter weight, lower tech, reliable adventure bike. We are setting ours up for adventure touring and off-road exploration, so we will be taking a look primarily at luggage, lighting, and protection. The first thing we've added is protection. We have a set of Barkbuster handguards to protect the hands and levers. We also added a set of the SW-Motech crash bars to protect the engine, radiator, and fairings. Finally, we've upgraded to the SW-Motech skid plate to give more rugged protection to the lower engine and exhaust headers. The stock headlights on the T7 are actually pretty good, but here at Twisted we believe the first step to being seen out on the road is by adding auxiliary lighting. We've installed a set of DENALI D7s to the upper crash bars using the DENALI crash bar mounts. Attached to the Barkbuster handguards are the brand new DENALI T3 Switchback front signal pods. When tied into the turn signal circuit, the T3s will not only function as white running lights, but also as amber turn signals. On the rear of the bike, we've added T3 Switchback rear signal pods, which have been a huge improvement over the stock tail light, as you can see here. For luggage, we wanted an option that was as tough as the bike, so we went with the DrySpec H35 side cases. These military spec side cases are crush-proof and completely waterproof. The cases are side-loading, but we've added top-load liners, which make it really easy to get your things in and out without spilling them all over the ground. You can also add the external MOLLE panels, which give you more space to strap small organizer bags or extra fuel bottles to the outside. The cases are mounted using an A-frame adapter onto the SW-Motech side carriers. We've also added the SW-Motech Adventure top rack along with the soft luggage adapter so we could strap the DrySpec D38 dry bag on for extra storage. With this setup, you'll be able to carry everything for your next adventure. It's an exciting time for adventure riders with so many bikes on the market to choose from, and the Yamaha T7 is definitely a top contender now that it's actually hitting showroom floors. Twisted Throttle already has a variety of aftermarket parts in stock and ready to order. Check us out at TwistedThrottle.com. We'll see you next time.